Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do one of my favorite videos to do, and that is a luxury haul. So it's a mini haul. I don't have a lot of stuff, but what I do have, I'm very excited to show you. I just did a little bit of shopping, not a whole lot. I got one pair of sunglasses. I have a couple of skirts. I have like one or two skirts. I have a little bit of Balenciaga. Of course, no haul will be complete of mine without a little bit of Issey Miyake. And I have a special piece that I'm going to wait to show you at the end. So if fashion and makeup and designer clothing is your vibe, I would love for you to subscribe, join our little community. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. I am so glad you are loving the content. Also, too, guys, let's not forget about the giveaway. Make sure you guys are commenting and liking the video. That helps me out a lot. I will be picking 2 random comments for the 2 giveaways for the 250 and the 300 subscriber count. So don't forget about that. And if you guys are ready to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, so for this one, I'm sitting down because these are a pair of sunglasses. Now, it's not the typical Celine and, you know, Balenciaga that we're used to. They are a pair of Ray-Bans. Now, Ray-Ban, if you're into fashion, you already know is a classic brand. Ray-Bans have been around for a long time. They're very chic. They're very sleek. They go with any outfit. And these, I'm going to always keep a pair of Ray-Bans. This might be my 3rd pair. So these I like because I love the little gold band that was at the top, and I love the blue trimming. Like, look how cute these are. Like, and I love the mirrored, I love a mirrored pair of glasses. Like, these are just like really, really cute. I can see you guys, but from when I look in the mirror, you can't see my eyes, which I love. So you can be sitting there talking and I'm like this. Meanwhile, I'm asleep. And you would never even know. So I love glasses that kind of hide your eyes and black out from the world when you're not feeling it. You're just not in the mood. I love glasses like these. These are very beautiful. I love the blue. I'm having a blue moment right now, so I'm really into blue. And these are just going to be a staple in my collection. They're so easy to throw on. These are a pair of vintage Levi's. White t-shirt, Birkin, Celine bag, crocodile bag, whatever bag you carry, some Hermes slides, and you're out the door. They're very easy, and these are, I'm going to get a lot of use out of these in my everyday dress. So I really like these. Let me know what you guys think about it. The next item I got is an Issey Miyake skirt. It's a color block skirt. You guys can see. Now, this is not the color I initially wanted. I initially wanted, I forget the other color, but this has a little button on it, and you can open it up, and I guess wear the black on the side, which I probably wouldn't wear it like that. I'm not like a big fan of how that looks, so I probably wouldn't wear it like that, but I'm going to keep it buttoned. And this is just a really cute little weekend skirt. You can wear it with like a black little crop top or something, and some cute, really cute shoes. And it's just, I love the blue, first of all. The blue is what really got me. And then I'm not the biggest orange fan, but this really goes well with this skirt. Like, whoever, like, the design of this is like really, really cute. I love the asymmetrical little paneling right here. This is really a cute little skirt that I'm just going to throw on and just wear on the weekend, or you know, going to dinner or something with my husband. Just another cute little staple piece that I have in my wardrobe. So let me know, guys, how you like it. That feels. So my next item is a Balenciaga top. This is from 2013, 2014, I remember. This is when Nicolas Gasquier was the creative director of Balenciaga. So now you guys know he's at Louis Vuitton right now doing Louis Vuitton. That's how I pronounce my French. And these are, to me, this is one of the like iconic pieces that you can own that's recognizable from the collection. He has millions of others from the Pierre Hardy design shoes, and like he has definitely made his mark at Balenciaga. But I would say this is one of the pieces that I was really trying to find. I really wanted the sweater. I think it was like a foam sweater, but I was only able to find it in the t-shirt. So I ended up grabbing it. If I could find the foam sweater, I will. But to me, this is an everyday staple. I can throw it on with my Ray-Bans, a pair of jeans. I can wear it with a skirt, which is what I would most likely wear it with, and just keep it moving. This is definitely a staple that I'm so glad I was able to find. So the next item I got is a belt that I found on the RealReal, and it is a vintage Azzedine Alaya belt. And this belt, look at this, guys. Do you see how cute she is? Like, look at this. I love it. First of all, let's see if I can fit it. Oh, wait, hold on, I can get it on. Hold on. 2 sets of straps for you to fasten the belt. And this is a size 85. I don't know what the hell that means. But it was made in Italy. And let's see if we can tie one of these straps on. Y'all just have to take my word for it that it's bomb. And it's suede, and if you can see the little stitching that it has, like this is so like, then it has these little, I don't know what the hell these is called, bullets or something right here on the edges. Like this belt is so beautiful. Like I wish I could have got it on, but with this type of top, this belt won't work, especially with my boobs right now. Like this ain't gonna work because it's sitting up too high on this top. But this belt is so beautiful, it's so amazing, and I'm so lucky that I scored this, because when I saw it, I immediately I was doing a little bit more shopping, looking around, seeing what else I wanted, but I immediately put this in my cart because I knew this wasn't going to be long. This is vintage, and it is in beautiful conditions, no stains. I don't see any of the suede taken off, and I'm so happy to have scored this. I love this piece. So the next thing I got is a top from Issey Miyake. So this is, I got this off the RealReal. I saw it and I thought this was like really cute and really different. I love, it's still pleated, as you can see in the material. It's still pleated, but what I like about this is like the accordion like sleeves. While it's pleated, it has like that accordion layer to it, and I love the big shoulders. Like as you can see, the shoulders like fold over, and then the sleeve starts like halfway down. This is the cutest top on. Like I love this top. Like this is so easy to throw on with a skirt, with a pair of jeans, pair of glasses. You know, it's just easy pieces that I need to incorporate into my wardrobe to use with the rest of the things, like the more pow pieces that I already have. So I have to make sure that I'm getting basic pieces to wear with my more extravagant pieces. So this is my top. She is cute and I love her. Okay, on to the next. This is the greatest piece of all the pieces. So, I already told you guys I opened everything, but I wanted to save this one in the box because she's so special. Wait till I show you guys her. She is so special. So I did a little unboxing already, and I'm going to insert it here just so you guys can see me opening it up. guys ready for the big reveal? Okay, hold on. You ready? I gotta get a better theme music, but you guys get, look. Look at this, guys. Oh, I got a piece of lit on it. Look at this. This is a Rick Owens tank. Well, it's not even necessarily a tank. What would they be called? Like a tube top or something? What are they called now? I don't know what they're called. I gotta ask the kids, what do you guys call and stuff now? Because everything's different. But this is a Rick Owens top from, I believe it's Spring Summer 21. Child, I don't know. Rick be doing his own thing, so I don't know. Tags and everything is still attached. It's brand new. And I'm going to wear her with a long fitted Rick Owens skirt or a long flowy Rick Owens skirt. I wouldn't wear these with pants or anything. This would definitely go with a Rick Owens skirt. But she zips up in the back. She's a little bit looser. She's a little bit looser at the bottom. I'm going to insert a picture of how it is worn, like how it looks worn. You unzip the back, opens up, like one right there, one right there. And the inside has like a denim material. So whatever you see, like this brown, not brown, this blue right here, this is like a denim material. This top is perfect. Like she is literally and like it dips in the waist. Like look at the waist. Like, oh my God. Look at my top, guys. Like look at her. She is so beautiful. Like this is a special piece that I cannot wait to wear. I cannot wait to find someplace special enough. My sister's getting married, so she has some events coming up. Like they're having their engagement party. This might be it. I know this ain't got nothing to do with me, but she's special and she got to come outside. So I hope I don't upstage my sister, but I'm gonna have to bring a change of clothes in the car because she's gonna get her time to shine out here this summer, okay? Outside opening up. Well, outside open at this point. So we finna go outside and I'm getting ready to take her for a spin because she is gorgeous. Look at her. She is gorgeous. Like, I love this. Like, Rick Owens is like, he can do no wrong in my eyes. He's had some collections where it's just like, okay, you know, he's phoning it in a little bit. You know, because when you're a genius and they have to put out so many collections a year, sometimes, you know, you get, you know, a little stale sometimes. But this is my baby and I love her. So guys, that is everything for my mini little haul. I didn't do a lot of shopping because I'm on a budget right now. I got a lot of stuff coming up. My sister's shower and her wedding and all of this stuff. So I got other things that's going on right now. And then I'm doing stuff in my home. So I got a lot of stuff that's on my plate right now. But of course, you know, I was going to find some time and some space and some coin to do a little bit of shopping. I had to get a little bit of shopping in. There was this one dress that I wanted. It was a Junior Watanabe dress. And I'm still like heartbroken that I didn't get it. But I'm trying to be a responsible adult and not be put out on the street by my husband if he sees it in the mail. So I might have to dip back and, you know, go pick her up and send it to my mom's house. But that is it for my haul. Let me know what you guys' favorite piece was. Let me know how you guys like these types of videos. I know I do mostly makeup, but, you know, this is my background. This is me. So I'm going to definitely incorporate my fashion into my videos. Let me know how you guys like it. And also, too, don't forget to comment on the video. We're in the middle of the giveaway. So we're almost close to 300 subscribers. So I guess I'm just going to do the giveaway for both of them when we hit the 300 subscribers. Because I'm doing one for 250, which we hit and surpassed. And we're almost to 300. So I'll just do both of the giveaways like I did last time. at the same time when we get to 300. So please, guys, don't forget to like this video. That really helps me out. Comment in the video so, you know, I can pick you guys' comment. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can see when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.